All right, so this is a bit different. It's dark, and I'm gonna go for a drive with new glasses from Payne Glasses because these are made for night driving. This is actually pretty cool because they have this yellow tint, which seems to help with blocking out some of the glare, which is nice because I actually have an astigmatism. But actually, this actually takes a lot of that off, which is pretty cool for me, honestly. I'm really digging these. And I have to say, I thought the yellow tint would affect things while I'm driving, but you really don't notice it until you actually see a bright light that happens to be tinted yellow instead of white. Another thing to point out here is I decided to go on a really dark road, and the yellow tint doesn't seem to make it any more problematic, because I thought maybe since it was dark, the yellow tint would make it darker, but I actually don't really notice a difference, which is pretty nice. Over the camera lens, these are my regular glasses. You can kind of see what that looks like. It's probably out of focus for y'all. And then here's what it looks like with these. It's a pretty big difference, actually. So yeah, I'm impressed. They work. I wasn't sure what to think about them, but there you go. If you want to get some, you can use my code online over at payneglasses.com and just order them with the yellow tint, and that should get you taken care of.